All right.
We're Team DW. We have decided to go with the solution for appointment booking, where a barbershop, Ultimate Barber, is able to allow users to schedule their own appointments, see available times, and book appointments so that the interaction between barber and client is streamlined through using the Power Platform. So we have built an app that is a very user-friendly interface, and it would allow a client or customer to schedule, filling out simple information like name, date, what type of service they would like, and to also pick their barber. So you can place an appointment, you can see what's available, and this is used through the Power Apps, and we have some back end info through the Dataverse, which consists of information as far as like the calendar, the times available, dates available, also customer info as well. And then we also, with the flows, we can allow the user and the customer, the user and the barber to be able to have readily available information as far as confirmations, what time, what's available, and schedules. So here you can see the interface as far as the customer, the name of the barber, the date, and the time, what's open and what's not open. And the customer can easily click on a green arrow to, schedule that time that they would like. And they would get a confirmation sent to their phone or to their email. And the barber would get confirmation as well, with the flows, bringing everything together with the communication.
So, Dominic,
Yes.
why was it you selected this as our scenario?
I selected this scenario to create a simplistic, user-friendly app or solution for small businesses that do scheduling, to make it just a streamline, easy for the user and for the barber to eliminate any confused or to give back free time to both the user and the practitioner as well.
And there's a rather personal touch to this as well, isn't there?
Yeah, there's definitely a professional business touch where you can communicate through the intermediate technology.
No, sorry, I meant as in there's a personal connection for you to this solution.
Oh, well, yes, it's very personal. It's a field that I've been in for almost 20 years. So it's just like, creating solutions for problems that we have run across, and just allowing a streamlined process to make the transaction a lot easier.
So it doesn't get more real world example than that, really.
Yes, yes, definitely a real world example.
So the general flow is that a customer comes through to the website, which would be built on Power Apps portals, and with a Power Virtual Agent to answer any initial queries. They make their booking, and then the Power Automate flows that Nathan's built will send reminders and send details. Oh, there's the Power Virtual Agent. Yeah, that's cool. Offering all the location details and rating and cost information. And when the customer makes a booking, Power Automate flows built by Nathan will go away and send reminders off, and confirmations of the bookings. When the customer arrives at the barber shop, the barber themselves can see the booking in an app on their phone and can confirm that the customer's attending, along with knowing what they are actually expecting, what service they're expecting to receive. Once the customer has left, after a period of time, they will get sent a customer voice survey, which they can fill in, where standard customer service info, which all feeds back through. And that all feeds back through into the overall Microsoft Dataverse structure that's been built, keeping it very simple, keeping it very basic, and just not overcomplicating things, but also making use of the Microsoft customer voice elements in there. And then on top of all that, once you've got all that data and the pricing in there, the other Mike on the team, Mr. Ford, has a nice Power BI dashboard.
That's right. Yes. Let me share that. Okay. So yeah, after we've gathered all of this information, basically we created this Power BI report, and essentially it summarizes the customer details for the customers that have scheduled appointments. It will show you the type of service they've requested. It'll show you the dates where they've submitted an appointment request for the barbers who are going to be conducting the services, and then the customers as well. And then you've got kind of a table down here that shows you all the details for the barber, the customer, their email address and contact information, appointment date, and then the price for that. And then finally, if you want to drill into customer satisfaction results or survey results, you can go here to look at the results to see what customers are saying for the barbers. So that is the Power BI solution. In a nutshell, it's also got the ability to filter on barber names and customer names and the types of service that people have requested as well. So that is the report that's in Power BI.
Awesome. And that is the offering from Team DW. Thank you for watching, and yes, we appreciate it's not necessarily the most polished solution, but our focus was on exploring as much of the real world need and real world scenario that we were dealing with, and trying to address as much of that as possible. So thank you very much, and thank you for the whole Power Platform School and the hackathon. Take care. Thanks,
Thank you.
folks. Bye bye.